Hi everyone, we are on step 3 of our 7-step journey towards incorporating a whole food plant-based diet into our lifestyle. So today's step is try to eat 7 to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. What is a serving? A serving size is going to be about roughly a cup, or think of it as maybe 1 apple, 1 peach, 1 banana. So I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot. How am I ever going to eat 7 to 9 cups of fruits and vegetables a day? Well, if you're following step number 2 from yesterday and having a smoothie every single day, you're well on your way to getting there. If you have your 5 cups of your dark leafy greens in there and then whatever fruit you're adding in, you're probably very close to getting your 7 to 9 in already. So you want to make sure you are getting your dark leafy greens. Again, kale, spinach, Swiss chard, things of that nature. You want to make sure that you're getting in your dark berries. They're high in antioxidants. So those are going to be your blueberries, your blackberries, and your cherries. And you also want to make sure that you're getting in your cruciferous. So those are going to be things like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. So if you are trying to heal your body of a disease or illness, or if you're trying to get as much energy as you possibly can and you're feeling like you're really low on energy, I highly recommend that you try to do as much raw as you possibly can. There's nothing bad about doing cooked or frozen, and they still contain as much nutrients as the raw. Is that when you cook it or you freeze it, you actually lose some of the enzymes that are in there. And our body needs those enzymes in order to heal and nourish our body in the best way that it can. So simple switch out is just if you're doing frozen fruit in your smoothie, just add in a regular apple or peach or banana, whatever it may be. That is, you can easily get up to 3 to 4 servings of fruit in a smoothie along with your 5 cups of greens in there. My tip for today goes along with this. So as soon as you start incorporating more veggies, especially those cruciferous guys, into your diet, I'm going to get a little personal here. You start to feel a little bit more bloated and gassy until your body gets used to eating that way. So how I've overcome this, Beano is obviously, that's what's on the market. It's like a really good thing to take as far as it releases the gas pretty much. I like to prevent it rather than release it. So I do lemon water and I just sip that throughout the day because I'm constantly eating throughout the day. And I've noticed that that actually prevents the gas from coming on. If I don't drink my lemon water throughout the day, then what I do is, I'm a huge fan of essential oils, and I'll actually use my peppermint oil roller, which is just peppermint oil and grapeseed oil. You always want to use a carrier oil, and I rub that on my stomach, and in a couple of minutes it actually helps alleviate the gas. So those are my tips for you on how to survive, especially around others, with incorporating more of those types of foods into your diet. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you tomorrow for step number 4.